Now I will discuss about the beta particles. Beta particles, I told, it is just an electron. Symbol for beta particle is E minus 10 or beta minus 10. What I told, radiations, radioactivity is completely nuclear phenomenon, and all the three types of radiations are coming out from the nucleus of an atom. So one question may arise in your mind that in the nucleus of an atom electrons are not there. Then how is it possible for this electron to come out of the nucleus? How is it formed in the nucleus of an atom? I'll explain it first. Actually, what happens in an unstable nucleus? Okay, when number of neutrons are much greater than number of proton, then what happens? This is the symbol for neutron. This neutron breaks itself into a proton and an electron. This is neutron, this is proton, this one is electron. But electrons are not allowed to stay in the nucleus. This total thing takes place inside the nucleus of an atom. Then this portion, if a neutron breaks itself into a proton and an electron, then this electron is coming out. Then it is known as beta particle. Okay, then it is known as beta particle. Clear? Just for example, suppose we have an atom, carbon 614. This is an isotope of carbon 614. Clear? It has in the nucleus 6 protons and how many neutrons? 14 minus 6, 8 plus 8 neutrons. Look here, number of neutrons are more than the number of proton. So here 1 neutron will break according to this one. So number of neutron will decrease, 1 neutron will be decreased, but at the same time 1 new proton is formed. I am repeating this, 8 neutrons. Out of this 8, if 1 neutron breaks like this, then 1 new proton is formed and an electron is formed. So number of neutron decreases by 1 and number of proton increases by 1 and a beta particle is coming out. Okay? So inside this one, this kind of reaction takes place. So let me write down C614. So after giving out this beta particle, what will be number of proton? Number of proton will become 7. Number of proton has been increased. 1 neutron breaks, 1 new proton is formed. So number of proton becomes 7. And number of neutron breaks, 1 neutron. So 1 neutron will be less. So number of neutron, 8 minus 1, it becomes 8 minus 1, it becomes 7 neutrons. Okay. Now proton is the identification mark for an atom. What will be the name of the element? That is determined by its number of proton. Number of proton means atomic number. So look here, actually this one was carbon nucleus. Carbon nucleus. So carbon nucleus I have written, not carbon atom, carbon nucleus I have written. But after giving out beta particle, number of proton has become 7, that is atomic number has been changed, it has become 7. Okay. And what is mass number? Mass number means protons plus neutron. Proton 7, neutron 7, 14. So look here, mass number remains 7 and atomic number has become 7. Whose atomic number is 7? Nitrogen. So did you notice that completely new nucleus is formed? Clear? As in this case, number of neutrons was more than number of protons, so neutron breaks according to this relation, and this one is coming out as beta particle. Okay, as electron is formed, neutron decreases by 1, proton increases by 1. So neutron decreases by 1, 8 minus 1. Proton increases by 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Plus this beta particle E minus 1, 0. So this is beta particle. So atomic number of the new nucleus has increased by 1. Because of emission of a beta particle, atomic number increases by 1, but mass number remains same. What is the position of the new nucleus? One position later in periodic table, because periodic table is arranged in increasing order of atomic number. So after 6, 7 will come. So new nucleus will get the latter position in the periodic table. Is it clear? Next, what is mass? Mass of beta particle. Beta particle means electron. So its mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay. Charge of electron and charge of beta particle same. So what will be the charge? Charge is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. And what is speed of beta particle? Beta particle is lighter particle. Beta particle means only one electron. Alpha means 2 proton, 2 neutrons. Alpha heavier. So speed of alpha particle is more, of the order of 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Beta lighter. So speed of beta particle is of the order of 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But remember, it is less than 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Because speed of light means electromagnetic radiation, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But for beta, it will be less than 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It may be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It may be 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And about its ionizing power I discussed in detail while I discussed about the alpha radiation. Like alpha, beta particle affects the photographic plate. It can cause fluorescence on striking the fluorescent material. Okay. And biological damage caused by beta particle is much more than alpha particle. Why? Because penetrating power of beta is more than that of alpha. Okay. Penetrating power of beta particle is much more than the penetrating power of alpha particle. That's why biological damage caused by beta radiations is much more than that caused by alpha radiations.